Nostalgia is a powerful emotion that connects us to our past, evoking memories that can bring both joy and longing. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of nostalgia and its profound impact on our lives, from the songs that transport us back to our childhood to the scents that remind us of special moments. Nostalgia shapes our experiences in ways we often overlook. We'll dive into the psychology behind this emotion, discussing how it influences our relationships, decision-making, and even our mental health. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of how nostalgia not only enriches our lives, but also helps us navigate the present. So, get ready to embark on a journey through time and memory. Nostalgia plays a crucial role in fostering emotional connections with both people and places. When we reminisce about shared experiences such as family vacations or childhood friendships, we strengthen our bonds with others. These nostalgic memories often evoke strong feelings, reminding us of the love and joy we felt during those moments. For instance, listening to a song that was popular during a significant time in our lives can instantly transport us back, reigniting feelings of happiness and connection with those we shared it with. Additionally, when friends or family members recount similar nostalgic stories, it creates a sense of unity and understanding. By reflecting on these shared experiences, we not only celebrate our past but also enhance our relationships, making them more meaningful and resilient. Nostalgia is not just a sentimental feeling, it has a scientific basis that aids in memory recall and cognitive function. When we experience nostalgia, our brains activate areas associated with memory retrieval, making it easier to access past experiences. Common nostalgic triggers, such as familiar songs, scents, or photographs, can evoke vivid memories, enhancing our ability to recall details from our past. For example, hearing a childhood tune can bring back a flood of memories, allowing us to relive those moments. Moreover, reminiscing about positive experiences can significantly benefit our mental health and well-being. It can reduce feelings of loneliness, boost mood, and even improve self-esteem. By engaging with our nostalgic memories, we not only enrich our lives, but also support our cognitive health as we age. Nostalgia plays a vital role in shaping and preserving cultural identity and heritage. It helps us connect with our roots by reminding us of the traditions and values that define our communities. For instance, nostalgic cultural artifacts like traditional clothing, music, or cuisine evoke memories of our ancestors and the customs they cherished. Events such as annual festivals or family gatherings often serve as powerful reminders of our cultural heritage, allowing us to relive and celebrate our shared history. These experiences foster a sense of belonging as they create bonds among individuals who share similar backgrounds. By engaging with nostalgia, we not only honor our past, but also pass down cultural traditions to future generations, ensuring that our unique identities continue to thrive in an ever-changing world. Nostalgia significantly influences consumer behavior and marketing strategies, as brands increasingly leverage this powerful emotion in their advertising. By tapping into nostalgic feelings, companies create connections that resonate with consumers on a personal level. For example, brands like Coca-Cola and Nintendo have successfully reintroduced classic products, such as retro packaging or vintage game consoles, appealing to consumers' fond memories. These nostalgic products often gain popularity because they evoke a sense of comfort and familiarity. The psychological effects of nostalgia can lead to increased purchasing decisions as consumers associate positive emotions with the products that remind them of their past. This emotional connection not only enhances brand loyalty but also encourages impulse buying, making nostalgia a potent tool in the competitive landscape of marketing. Nostalgia serves as a rich source of creative inspiration for artists and creators across various mediums. By drawing from nostalgic themes, they tap into shared memories and emotions that resonate with audiences. For instance, in music, artists like Taylor Swift often incorporate nostalgic storytelling in their lyrics, evoking feelings of youth and lost love. In film, movies like Stranger Things and The Goonies celebrate the essence of childhood adventures. Blending past and present, literature also reflects nostalgia, with authors like Haruki Murakami weaving memories into their narratives. This connection to the past not only evokes strong emotional responses, but also sparks innovation, as creators reinterpret familiar concepts in fresh ways. Ultimately, nostalgia fuels creativity, allowing artists to explore timeless themes while engaging audiences in meaningful ways. Nostalgia can serve as a powerful coping mechanism during difficult times, offering therapeutic benefits that help individuals navigate stress and anxiety. Reflecting on cherished memories allows people to escape their current challenges, providing a sense of comfort and stability. For example, many find solace in revisiting old family photos or listening to music from their youth, which can evoke feelings of happiness and security. Personal stories abound of individuals who have turned to nostalgia during tough periods, such as those facing loss or uncertainty. One person might recall joyful moments spent with loved ones, while another may find peace in the familiar sense of home-cooked meals. By connecting with these positive memories, nostalgia not only alleviates emotional pain but also fosters resilience, reminding us of the good times that can help us through life's struggles. Nostalgia plays a significant role in fostering social connections and building community. Shared nostalgic experiences can unite people, creating bonds that transcend age and background. For instance, community events like retro movie nights or classic car shows often draw crowds who reminisce about the past together, sparking conversations and friendships. These gatherings allow individuals to relive cherished memories while connecting with others who share similar experiences. Additionally, nostalgia can strengthen social networks, as people often seek out others who appreciate the same cultural references, such as favorite childhood TV shows or music. By celebrating these shared memories, nostalgia not only enhances personal relationships but also cultivates a sense of belonging within communities. Ultimately, it serves as a bridge that connects individuals, fostering unity and understanding in an increasingly fragmented world. Nostalgia has been linked to increased life satisfaction and happiness, as numerous studies show that reflecting on positive memories can evoke feelings of joy and contentment. Engaging with nostalgic thoughts often leads to a boost in mood, helping individuals appreciate their past experiences and the relationships that shaped them. For example, recalling a memorable family vacation or a cherished friendship can enhance one's sense of fulfillment and gratitude. This reflection not only reinforces positive emotions but also encourages individuals to focus on the good times, fostering resilience in the face of challenges. Moreover, nostalgia can serve as a reminder of personal growth and achievements, further enhancing overall life satisfaction. By regularly reflecting on these positive memories, individuals can cultivate a more optimistic outlook, ultimately contributing to a happier and more fulfilling life. In summary, nostalgia profoundly impacts our lives by fostering emotional connections, enhancing memory recall, and contributing to our cultural identity. It serves as a powerful coping mechanism during difficult times and plays a significant role in shaping consumer behavior and creative inspiration. As we've explored, nostalgia can lead to greater life satisfaction and happiness. We encourage you to reflect on your own nostalgic experiences and consider how they have shaped your relationships and sense of self. If you found this discussion insightful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might also appreciate the power of nostalgia. Together, let's continue to explore the meaningful ways our past influences our present and future. Thank you for watching.